With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is a particle placed inside a uniform spherical cell of mass m but not at center, and second is inside a uniform spherical cell of mass m at the center and the outside of the uniform spherical cell of mass m at a distance r from the center and outside of a uniform solid sphere of mass m at a distance of 2r from the center if F1 and F2 and F3 and F4 are the gravitational force acting on the particle in 4 cases. So A, B, C, D option is given here. So we have to find which option is correct. So the solution of this question is, we know that gravitational force acting on particle inside the spherical cell is equals to 0. So from this we can say that in our case F1 force 1 and force 2 is equals to 0 here, as they are lies inside the spherical sphere here it is given to us. So now we can check for F3 and F4 here. So they are lies outside the spherical cell. So we know that force is inversely proportional to radius, and we know that force is equals to gravitational force is equals to gravitational mass. We know that for net force acting is equals to gravitational force mass 1 into mass 2, and this is divided by r square. So from this we can say that force is inversely proportional to r square, or in our case it is placed for the radius of r here. It is given to us distance of r. So in this case our force 3 is equals to g, gravitational force mass 1 and mass 2, and this is divided by r square. And in fourth particle, if it placed at 2r distance, so this is gmm, and this is 2r square, that is 4r square here. So from this we can say that our force 3 is greater than force 4, as it is more then it will be less, and it is less then it will be more here. So from this force 3 acting on the particle is greater than F4. So from this we get two conditions from here, in between F1 and F2 and F3 and F4. So in last conclusion we can conclude that F1 is equals to F2 and these are less than F4 and F3 is greater here. Maximum force is acting on third particle, that is lie at a distance of r from the center. So in this question this is our answer here. Now we check which option is correct here. F1 force 1 is equals to force 2 and F4 and it is less than F3. So our option C is correct here. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.